Hi. So, very interesting 1 month, and I've had to constantly pinch myself in the last 1 month because I'm realizing that for the first time in my life, the universe is kind of rigged in my favor because this is the era of the makers, this is the era of the creative, this is the era of the individual who may not be very good at communicating the ideas, but they kind of can see it and can, if told enough, can actually build it. And oh my god, how are we tooled as individuals? So if the tooling is so good, there is no excuse but to build. And this also kind of reminds you that don't refer to anything from the past, because all of this is more or less irrelevant in the era where your respect will depend on the body of work that you've built yourself with your own hands to begin with. And second would be that organizations will be less humans and more tech enablers, agents. And you will have to infuse uh, a lot more into the work that you do in terms of the spirit of it and the energy of it. And energy will show itself in the ideas that you put out there, because you'll put a lot of ideas out there, because the gap between imagination and creation is now almost zero. This is a brave new world, which requires us to just have excitement and curiosity and learnability and ability to kind of start from zero. And 0 point is a really good position to start from. And it should be putting a beat in your step. It should be making your heart skip a beat. It should be making you wake up earlier and earlier, because there's so much more to do and learn and everything. So, brave new world. The language is different. The languages of LMs, the languages of OS, the languages of words that may not be part of your regular vocabulary, but hey, it's all within reach, and let's go grab it, because if not now, when? If not you, who? Right? Or what time? Be a maker. Don't be a manager.